Hi, my name is Renee, and thank you for watching. I'm also known as Miss Notary Consultant. I own California Notary Agency, which is a nationwide signing service. Yes, we're nationwide. We do signings in Alaska, Hawaii, New York, Florida, you name it, and everything in between. I have another division of my company where I teach you how to scale your business the right way and work very, very hard to do so. So let me bring you in back scene just to tell you a little bit about what I do. What the coaching program is an 8 weeks coaching program. You're going to spend each week with me, okay, for at least 60 minutes. Sometimes I give you a little bit bonus, okay, with that being said. And we're going to go hard with really understanding the concept of a business and in notary, how to scale your business when it comes to a couple things such as branding, color psychology, when it comes to business credit, how to leverage business credit in a new business, right? And even if it's in a seasoned business. When it comes to tax preparation, yes, we have deductions. We are a special brand when it comes to the IRS, being a notary, because we are state representative. That makes so much sense. So we get, every time we do, we get a deduction from that. From tax preparation, we just talked about that. Accounting is so crucial. Bookkeeping and making sure all of your AP and your AR is in order. And I teach you the right way of how to do it from any accounting system that you choose. Also, lastly, those doc preps, how to get out of that signing quickly, fastly, and also get that review. Reviews are definitely critical. So, being a loan signing agent, you start off with $75, but I want to help you scale your business where you're receiving $150 to $200. The same amount of money as a consultation, as an attorney, and as a CPA. And you don't even have to do all the work. I did all the work for you. I have my master's in accountancy. I am a corporate accountant. I've been working for Fortune 500 such as Disney, Fox, yes, me. And I'm going to bring that to you. Bring corporate to notary. And that's what my goal is, okay? For you to understand that and make sure that any stormy day come, you don't gotta worry about your business blowing over. You don't have to worry about anything because I'm gonna make sure that you get those formations together. The foundation, excellent. And trust me when I tell you that. You don't have no tomorrow and you don't need to worry about it tomorrow. So with that being said, let me tell you a client experience. Well, one of my clients, they went from $0, okay? In 4 months, they was able to scale their business to $7.5K a month. With that being said, my personal journey, I was a loan signing agent. Loan signing agent, I knew that there was so many orders and there was no way that I can do all the orders myself. So I decided to structure my business the right way and bring to you employment opportunity from California Notary Agency. So you have the person that created an agency, you have a loan signing agent, you have a corporate accountant, you have a tax specialist. I've been with the IRS for about 7 years, certified tax preparer with the Internal Revenue Service. So with that being said, if you missed out on the PPP, you know that something wasn't together, right? Your business structure, your finances, your financial report, something. But next time you're not going to miss out because you're going to hire me and be part of my coaching program for you to understand what other grants that you have. And we talk about government grants. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope that you're going to come into our accelerated coaching program. And we will love to have you. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you so much.